shadow hums a quiet trust. I reach for stars, but